In this video, I will quickly show you how to use Airtable as a database to store and organize information. First, go to the Airtable website and create a free account. After logging in, click Create Base to create a new database. Now, choose to start with a blank base so you can build your structure from scratch. Inside the base, you can create tables that work like collections of data, similar to tables in a traditional database. Next, add fields to store information such as text, numbers, emails, dates, or files. Each row represents a record inside the database. You can use Airtable to store data about customers, products, users, or any other type of information. Another useful feature is creating relationships between tables to connect data in an organized way. Airtable also allows you to access data through an API, making it easy to integrate with websites and applications. Always organize your fields properly to make searching and updating information easier. And that's it. Now you know how to use Airtable as a database easily. Save this video so you can check it later if needed.